I'll give the direct Walmart Spark phone numbers, show you how to bypass the automated chatbot, and explain which department to contact for earnings disputes versus live order issues. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. If you are currently on a delivery and something goes wrong, like a car accident, a missing customer, or an app crash, you need an immediate human response. The number to call is 1-855-743-0457. Go ahead and save this in your phone as Spark Support right now. When you call, listen for the prompt for active deliveries. Spark uses Tier 1 support for general questions and Tier 2 for complex technical or account issues. If the first person can't help, politely ask to be escalated to Tier 2. For non-emergencies, the in-app chat is usually the most efficient route. Open your Spark Driver app and tap the More or menu icon. Tap Help and then select Chat Now. You'll start with an automated assistant. To reach a real person immediately, type agent or live person into the chat box. You can now upload high-resolution photos and videos directly in the chat. This is perfect for documenting damaged items or proof of delivery at a confusing location. If your issue is about a missing tip, incorrect mileage, or a technical glitch you experienced yesterday, don't call the hotline. Instead, use the Report an Issue feature. From the app, tap the More or menu icon, and then tap Report an Issue. This creates a digital ticket that goes straight to the Spark Tech or Payments team. These tickets are usually resolved within 48 business hours, and you'll receive an update via your registered email. If you need a paper trail for legal or tax purposes, email the general support at support@custhelp.com. Use this for long-form questions or account updates. If your account has been deactivated, do not just send an email. Instead, do this. Tap the Account Deactivated banner on your app home screen. Fill out the official form there. This is the only way to guarantee a review within the 3 to 5 day window. Walmart is cracking down on bots. If you see suspicious behavior at a store, email report-to-sparkdriver@walmart.com. Before you contact support, always take a screenshot of your current order screen. They will almost always ask for the order number or the store number, and it's much easier to have it ready than to hunt for it while on the phone. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.